Hello everyone, welcome to Tesla News. Today we have quite a few topics on Tesla. First things first, Tesla stock is gaining some momentum today after yesterday's loss. It gained $15.14 and at the time of writing the stock price is $395.50. The reason for yesterday's lows might be due to the overall dull stock market. It's good to see it's recovering. Moving on, Tesla's structural battery is another game changer in the industrial revolution of transport. The structure of a car is a critical component of its efficiency and performance. This is why Tesla is deeply focused on continuing to enhance its vehicle's structure. During Battery Day, the company announced that it will improve the design of its vehicles using a new battery architecture, utilizing a truly radical approach to manufacturing car parts. For some time now, Tesla has been developing a plan, incorporating a huge machine to reduce the number of parts for making car frames. As a result, the company introduced the Giga Press, which is capable of casting the rear aspect of the Model Y frame in one piece. And it recently became known that, in addition to the rear end, Tesla will also produce the Model Y front end frame in one single piece. This will not only improve production efficiency and performance, but also improve driver-passenger safety. Beyond enhancing safety, manufacturing in this way significantly reduces assembly time, operating costs, production costs, plant area, plant production costs, tools, and equipment costs. The one-piece parts are made from Tesla's proprietary aluminum alloy, which is highly durable due to no heat treatments or coatings that would otherwise compromise the structural integrity. In addition to bolstering the car's frame, Tesla plans to drastically improve the design of its vehicles using a new battery architecture. With the new form factor, Tesla is able to minimize negative mass, thus increasing the density of the battery pack. The battery is then able to be positioned more efficiently, further reducing redundant structures within the packaging itself. The car's chassis, with two one-piece molded parts for the front and rear, allows the battery to be placed in the middle. As a result, this greatly simplifies production. Also, because the battery can be located in the center of the car, its safety is increased. Now these cars can be even more protected from side impact. In addition, a centrally located battery enhances the driving performance, namely agility. These improvements will also result in a 10% weight reduction, a 14% increase in range, a significant reduction in the number of parts, and the overall increased structural integrity of the vehicle. Tesla's plan to utilize structural batteries is likely underestimated. Given the impressive improvements presented at Battery Day, this major structural innovation demonstrates yet again how Tesla is revolutionizing the industry. This particular design advancement will significantly reduce production costs, yet all the while increase vehicle safety, reliability, range, and driving performance. Whether the significance of Battery Day is fully appreciated now, ultimately within 18 to 36 months, the entire industry will feel the significant impact of these game-changing innovations. Moving on, Tesla is offering extra free supercharging miles to help deliver cars as part of its end-of-the-quarter push. As we reported earlier this week, Elon Musk told employees that a record quarter for deliveries is achievable if they push hard during the last week. The CEO said that Tesla employees should consider vehicle deliveries to be the absolute top priority until the end of the quarter. Occasionally, Tesla has put in place incentives at the end of the quarter in order to incentivize people to make faster deliveries. Now Electrek has learned from sources familiar with the matter that Tesla has authorized sales staff to give an extra 1,000 free supercharging miles on top of the free supercharging miles from the referral program if they used a referral code for people taking deliveries by September 27th. Interestingly, Tesla doesn't seem to have a problem with orders, and instead, it's more about making sure that the vehicles get delivered on time. The free supercharging miles can be added to orders already placed but that are undelivered and don't have a scheduled delivery date. It applies to all vehicles, Model S, Model 3, Model X, and the Model Y. Tesla's end-of-the-quarter pushes often get confused with demand issues when it's actually more about logistics. Again, Tesla, unlike any other automaker, owns the entire distribution system, and it has a big effect on the automaker's financials since it can't recognize revenue until vehicles are delivered, and it spent the money up front to make those vehicles. It results in Tesla pushing hard every quarter to reduce its inventory and deliver as many vehicles as possible toward the end of the quarter. Moving on, Tesla suffered a complete network outage yesterday with internal systems being down and customer connectivity features not accessible. Sources said Tesla's internal systems are currently inexplicably down, with staff not able to process deliveries and orders. On the customer-facing side, Tesla owners couldn't connect to their cars through the mobile app starting at around 11 a.m. Eastern Time. As for the website, it's returning an error beyond the main page with no configurator working at the moment. It appears one of the most wide-ranging networks outage of Tesla systems that we have seen to date. However, around 3 p.m., the network issues are completely restored. Also, Tesla is reportedly in talks to build a research and development center in India, a market that Tesla has had difficulties entering in the past. Back in 2016, CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla had plans to enter the Indian market, but those plans have been delayed. Jay Vijayan, who was then Tesla's chief information officer and was born in India, went to the country to investigate the possibility of Tesla starting to import cars in India. After that, there was some confusion over Tesla's ability to even import its vehicles in India in 2016. At the time, Musk expressed concerns about local regulations forcing foreign retailers to source 30% of their parts locally that could prevent a launch. The Commerce and Industry Ministry responded to Musk, telling him that he was wrong, but they actually assumed that Tesla would open a factory in India in order to sell cars in the country. But like almost all markets outside the US, Tesla first planned to import vehicles. Last year, Tesla was rumored to be showing interest in a battery factory project in India. Now, a new report came out from the Indian Times stating that Tesla held talks with the Karnataka government in India to establish a research center, stating, Tesla held exploratory discussions with Karnataka government officials on September 10th, who were seeking a possible investment by the world's most valuable caremaker in a research facility in Bengaluru. People familiar with the development told ET. A follow-up meeting is expected later this month, they said, during which the state officials are expected to present a detailed proposal to Tesla executives. Bengaluru is a big industry center in India with already several automakers there. Tesla could be trying to tap into the local talent or local activities, which could also help the automaker entering the market with its vehicles. India's automotive market is hungrier for smaller and cheaper vehicles than is available in Tesla's lineup. However, Tesla has recently been talking about producing a smaller and cheaper electric hatchback. This new vehicle is supposed to be in design and manufactured in China. I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla brings the vehicle to market in China and it proves to be successful. It would then try to replicate the success in India. It would solve the problems with the regulation and having a vehicle that matches the market. Tesla would have local production and a vehicle that is cheaper and better fit for the Indian market. In a surprising turn of events, Tesla now claims Nikola stole its truck design from Rimac designer in an update to its patent lawsuit. We don't have much information on this yet, but once we know more, we'll update you regarding this. Thanks for watching today's episode. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next episode.